mushrooms, and today we are going to make mushroom stuffed mushrooms that I learned from Angie at Niti's place. So let's just check. So these are mushroom. I have taken out the stem. So these are the mushroom, and you will just take out the stem, and I'm doing it with one hand so it broke. But anyhow, so you take out the stem and you keep them round like this. So we are going to, and the stems you are not going to throw, you're going to keep the stems, and separately you're also going to keep some coriander. We are going to chop the coriander and the stems for the stuffing. You will just check. Let me just take out the stems for all the mushrooms and I'll show you. In the stem of the mushrooms, here the mushrooms are here. We are going to fill the stems to the mushroom. So we are chopping it fine. Finally I have chopped all the stems. You can see the stems are not there. Only this part is there. Now we are going to dip it in the flour and then we will add the mixture. This is besan. So I'm going to add a little bit of besan to add the peanuts. These are raw peanuts. I'm going to crush them and add them in the batter. Here I'm going to churn it in the mixer now. So here we have churned the peanuts. Now we are going to mix them both in a big bowl. So we are adding the besan here in the mixing bowl, and then we are going to also add the grinded peanut material for the batter. To this we are adding corn flour. Roughly you can take about one whole big tablespoon and a half of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of salt to it, about 1 teaspoon of black pepper for the flavor. I have mixed it well and I'm going to take out some of it separately. Now we are going to dip the mushrooms coating. Here the mushrooms are there. I will just show you. You're just going to dip it, dab it a bit so that the mushroom are lightly coated with the material, so that when we add the filling to the mushrooms, they will just take the filling finely. So we are just coating it. We are not going to fill the this dust, only dust it. Dust the batter. So there is a famous tempura powder as Angie told us, but we are just, see, we have to put a filling. We are just dusting it. See, I have dusted all the mushrooms well. Now we are going to chop the coriander. Here are finally chopped coriander, and we are going to mix it in the mushroom. I've taken out the mushroom little less. These are the stem of the mushroom, and I'm going to add about 1 onion. I'm going to add chopped to it. Make sure the onion is finely chopped. So I'm adding onion. Now we're going to mix this mixture. Now how beautifully this mixture is looking. These are mushroom stem, onion, and 1 onion and coriander leaves. So what we are going to do, we are going to take this mushroom, and this bottom of the mushroom we are going to fill it with the filling. See, these are the bottom side. We are filling it with the filling, this filling that we have made. We are not wasting. The stem has the essence of the mushroom, so we are filling it with mushroom, stem and onion. So let's just fill all the mushrooms. Right here our beautiful mushrooms are all stuffed. So what we are going to do, we are going to add the dark soya sauce, ching soya sauce I've got, to the batter here. So here I'm adding about 1 cap of soya sauce to the batter. So I'm mixing the soya sauce. Let me add some water. We are going to keep a little thick consistency, so very little water I'm adding. Let's mix it. Let's mix it and just see. The consistency has to be thick only. I'm adding little more of this batter that we have kept separately, because I feel the salt is too much, because even the soya sauce has some salt. So I'm going to add a little more water to it. Now we will just give it a good stir and make a batter consistency. Keep on adding water till it gets to the batter consistency. I'm adding here only as I think the soya sauce is very strong. You can see the color has changed. So I'm going to make pakoras also later. So I'm going to mix it. Wow. So my batter consistency has arrived. And separately I have also oiled the, heated the oil was also kept on flame. I have kept the napkin to take out the deep fried these things, mushrooms. So now I'm just going to show you how to dip. So this is the mushroom. You are just going to dip it round. It has coated, and then we are going to deep fry it now. So like this you are going to deep fry the mushrooms. So these are really yummy mushrooms. And the stuffing, you remember that the stuffing we have put, so you put it straight. I think one is almost done. Let me just toast it. These are really yummy mushrooms. Really delicious. It's going to finish in 2 minutes only. See how beautifully they have come. It has opened a bit, but let me just check. So these are beautiful mushrooms. Once they are done, I'll just take it out. See both the sides, and it has taken a round shape. It has got covered, and I will just take it out. So here, these are the mushrooms. They are just gorgeous. Just see the stuffing. So gooey. I'm going to turn it. So let me just dip more of it and fry it like this. See, then I'm going to round shape without see how beautiful they are, all mushrooms. Wow, lovely. Can you see? Actually with the recording it is very difficult to make, but these ones have really come out so nice. So nice they have come out. You can just see they are so round and so good. Gorgeous. So these are mushrooms with stuffing. Wow. And you can see the coating is very thin, and it's all actually mushroom. It's really gorgeous. I already got a feedback. It is yummy. So I hope that you try your own mushrooms soon. Pakoras are for you, Angie. Thank you for teaching me stuffed mushroom. So these are really gorgeous, and I hope that you try them also. Thanks Niti Didi and everybody. Love you all. Beautiful mushroom snack is ready, and let me tell you, these are so gorgeous in taste. Pure mushroom, it has nothing more to it. If you just see here, I'm just chopping it off. It is only pure mushroom. You check here, it has nothing more to it. See, pure mushroom, and what a flavor. I mean, it's so gorgeous. Let me just show you this also. These are yummy mushrooms. Either you chop it and serve, or let me chop this one also for you to show you. Either you chop them and serve, or you serve them as a whole piece. These are delicious mushroom flavored original mushroom snack. So they are really good and nutritious. I hope that you try mushrooms. They're good for health. And do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.